this is Dr. Live with New Insight, and thank you for joining me in another video. In today's video, I will be discussing burnout. Burnout is a feeling of chronic stress and fatigue that affects a person physically, mentally, and emotionally, and interferes with their normal everyday functioning. Burnout develops gradually over time and is different from stress. Both stress and burnout cause feelings of overwhelmment, difficulty with concentration, staying on task, completing tasks, lack of motivation, fatigue, loss of interest, even feelings of apathy and disconnect from work that you once found enjoyable or rewarding. However, burnout can also cause feelings of hopelessness and depression. The person may feel stuck, dissatisfied, and unfulfilled. With burnout, the person feels completely depleted, as if they have nothing more to give. Burnout can also cause one to miss days from work or resign from work. Burnout can affect anyone regardless of age, race, gender, or type of job or career one has. Burnout can also cause what is known as compassion fatigue, and this is a term commonly associated with caregivers and those working in helping professions, such as those who deal with people and animals addressing chronic illness, mental health issues, crisis situations, and trauma. Compassion fatigue commonly affects those working in healthcare, teaching, mental health, social services, and the legal system. The individual observes and attends to so much crisis and trauma until they become apathetic or indifferent towards their work, their colleagues, and even the people they serve. And while everyone does not experience compassion fatigue and burnout, they are very common, and especially in these professions. People may experience burnout for different reasons. Some common reasons include poor work-life balance, working in high-stress environments where there is inadequate staffing, inadequate support, or proper management. One person may be doing the role of several people or working outside of their job description on a consistent basis. Jobs where there is no structure or proper training, toxic environments where there is backbiting and competition. Jobs where salary may be dependent on commission or sales. Jobs that are repetitive and there's little to no room for growth. Jobs where a person feels unappreciated, undervalued, and not respected. And over time, the person feels defeated and depleted. They may even desire a career change, but they feel stuck and hopeless. So how do you prevent burnout, or what can you do about it? Number 1, don't make it all about work. This means, although you may enjoy your work, find it rewarding, you have strong work ethic, you do your job efficiently, know how to set clear, distinct boundaries between your work life and home and personal life. Don't let work spill over into your personal life. Don't take work home. Don't answer, for example, calls and emails from work after hours if this is not a part of your job. And assert yourself. Make it known that you will give it 110% when you're on the job. But after that, it is imperative that you switch gears and give your full attention and energy to your personal and family life. It is just as important that you prioritize and value these things as well. Number 2, don't just seek jobs for money or titles, status. The perks of doing so will be short-lived, and especially if you're not doing work you find rewarding or work that is a good use of your skills, talents, or education. And of course, we all have bills and obligations. We have to sustain a good living for ourselves and loved ones. But you don't want to be in a situation where you're making good, decent money, but never have time or energy to enjoy anything because you're always working or feeling burnout from working. Don't work so hard for the life that you want that you lose sight of the life that you have, including properly attending to important people and priorities that are a part of your journey. Number 3, be sure to make time, buy out time, designate time for self-care. And this includes eating properly, exercise, fun, relaxation, time for hobbies. It is helpful to set aside structured time to decompress and take a mental break from your everyday stressors. Number 4, examine your beliefs and assumptions around what it means to be successful, competent, or have a strong work ethic, and ensure that your behavior and work habits aren't being governed by faulty, distorted beliefs or unrealistic expectations, because this will automatically cause you to overachieve, strive for perfectionism, and have your priorities out of order, and you will wear yourself out. Number 5, even if you are not at your ideal job or career, strive to make the best of where you're at by highlighting the positives and minimizing the negatives. Don't just complain day in and day out. Express gratitude and appreciation for your present job and what it is allowing you to accomplish at this point in your life, while simultaneously using behavior activation and the DOC acronym to make different moves, which means applying for other jobs, taking a course, finishing a degree or certification, networking with other people about jobs, or starting your side hustle. Keep in mind to have the right attitude while also making smart and strategic moves to progress. And number 6, never shy away from getting professional help if there are physical and mental health issues you need to address, which might be contributing to the burnout. There is no shame in needing medication to help you with anxiety or depression, sleep, or any other physical or mental health issues. And of course, therapy can help you process through your thoughts and feelings, your struggles, and receive guidance and recommendations, as well as learn valuable skills to help you cope effectively. Remember, we all get tired, and no one is 100% all of the time in any of their roles and responsibilities. Take care of yourself. Get your priorities in order. Show up and give it your all, but do so with boundaries. Advocate for yourself when you need help, training, support, guidance, or a break. And change negative thinking and negative self-talk. Be solution focused, and remember to take time to enjoy the people and things that you love.